Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Taraja Hanifudin Mahamagin Taraja Pertidatim Habibie as the director of Bina High School Arabida. Respectable my teacher, respectable for my parents and my family. Today I will talk about dance songing. Songing dance is one of traditional dance from Indonesia, particularly from the regions of West Java, Banten, and surrounding areas. This dance is usually performed by a female dancer called ronggeng, who dance with gentle and graceful movement, accompanied by traditional music such as gamelan or kendang. Ronggeng dance often involves interaction between the dancer and the audience, where male audience members can join in dancing or interaction with the ronggeng. This dance holds deep social and cultural significance, often associated with folk entertainment, celebration, or traditional rituals. Although it has rich cultural roots, ronggeng dance has also faced certain stereotypes because it is often associated with nightlife, entertainment, or less appreciated art. However, there are now many efforts to preserve and develop this dance as part of Indonesian cultural heritage. Okay, I think it's enough. Don't forget like, subscribe, and share. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.